is our car service.
The client is in the workshop. This car was in the accident. This part could not be repaired. Help us to change it. Oops, not this time. Think over again. Find the right color. Oops, not this time. Think over again. This part with a different color.
We've done it, Nikki!
Let's serve the client. While clients are waiting for your car, our service offers beverage and entertainment. What could we bring you? Oops, not this time. Think over again. Oops, not this time. Think over again. Great! The client is happy! Great! The client is happy! Vlad can find what is broken and then he will fix it. Move the scanner over to the car to find what is broken. Here's the problem. Take out all the defective elements and put them in the trash bin. Place new elements on the right position. Oops, not this time. Think over again. Oops, not this time. Think over again. Collect all garbage from the inside of a car. Vacuum all surfaces.
Well done!
Tap arrows to direct a car. While clients are waiting for your car, our service offers beverage and entertainment. What could we bring you? Great! The client is happy! Great! The client is happy! Great! The client is happy! Car wash.
We've done it, Nikki! We've done it!
arrows to direct the car. Lion is at the car paint.
Let's paint together.
Choose a color. Start painting. Paint it all. Move the spray over to the car to paint it. Let's polish the surface.
That's a beautiful car.
This is a gas station. Every car needs fuel to go. Daddy is going to show us all the process. Open the fuel filler cap. Tap the number you can see on the picture. Put the fuel filler cap on its place. Let's wash the windshield. You can pay by card here. Move the card to the terminal and push the red button. Tap arrows to direct the car. Here we can play dress-up games with our character. Choose the part of the clothes you want to change.
Yeah! Da!
The client is at the tire.
If you want to buy a full version of the game with bonuses and without ads, please ask your parents to do it. If you want to buy a full version... If you want to buy a full...
Welcome to the tire service. Help Vlad and Niki to change a wheel. Pump the wheels.
We've done it, Nikki.
Tap arrow tutorials to direct the car.